for BCom second semester, subject business communication skills. I already completed 4 units. At the time to start 5th unit, lockdown is started. That is why I am sending you video about the unit 5, how to write application letters. Writing an application for a job, it is an art. The person who wants to write an application for a job, he or she must kept in mind the following points. The style of writing should be attractive and clear. Whatever we write in the application, it must be very attractive, it must clear, it must not create any problem for the employer. Second one, the application form should clearly exhibit the personality of the candidate. Personality of the candidate must be exhibited by the application which is written by applicant. And third one, the application may be written in the candidate's handwriting or it may be typed. In some cases, the printed applications are also made available. This point also kept in mind for the applicants. Fourth one, some employers prescribe a specific application form in which the applications are to be submitted with a view to maintain uniformity in case of the application. You also remember this point. Next one, the form of application is often furnished in the advertisement itself also. If it is provided by the employer in the advertisement itself, then that application must be filled by a candidate as per the rules of the company. Next, proper size papers must be used for writing the application forms. Next, we must follow at the left hand side of the paper, 1/4 portion is left blank as a margin. If more than one sheet is prepared, then each paper must be numbered. You clearly mention the numbers. If 1, 2 or 3, the clear mention of the numbers is also very important. The applicant must kept in mind while writing the application. Then application should be written only one side of the paper. You don't write on the back side. Only one side of the paper, the application matter must be written by the applicants. Then all the details required to be furnished, mentioned in the application should be written clearly, neatly and systematically. True copies of the certificates regarding educational qualification, date of birth, then experience, then training, etc. should be enclosed with the application. Then only it will be effective. Then the form of application. Form of application, it means the application form seeking employment should contain following points. First one, name and address of the candidate. The candidate must clearly written name and address, which is very necessary for the employer. Second one, date of application. When we return the application, the date must be written in the application form. Then third one, address of the employer, to whom the applicant going to write the letter. That must be the two address must be written by the applicant in his or her application. Next, salutation. Salutation is very important, like madam or sir or respected personalities. It must be written in the application form. Next, the opening paragraph must be written by the applicant, giving the information about whatever it may includes. Then body of the application, it must be followed by the applicant. Then concluding paragraph, then complementary clause, then signature. Then the applicant must follow these main points, which is called as structure of the letters, followed in the application also. Before writing the application, the applicant must take into consideration the following main points, which are those: name and address of the applicant. Second one, the date of the application. Then third one, address of the employer. Fourth one, salutation and subject. Then opening paragraph. Then the body of the application, concluding paragraph, complementary clause and signature. These must be properly written in the application, then only it will be effective. Then in the application, what we don't write in the application, we write these are, but you don't write some of the things. You don't write any our personal matters in the letters, because it will affect the employer of the company. Then do not mention about your family difficulties in the application form. Do not express too much politeness while writing the application. If you are already in a job and applying for the new job for the sake of change or for better prospects, do not criticize the present employer of his firm in your application. If there is long gap between your ambition and the post you are applying for, do not mention anything about it in the application. Then fifth one, do not boast yourself about your qualification, your experience, your training, etc. in your application. Write about them only to the extent necessary. Then sixth one, avoid expressions such as, what are those? Avoid expressions such as this applicant, letter writer, or present candidate, etc. in the application, and instead use I wherever necessary. Then seventh one, do not mention in the application that you are applying for the post for the sake of gaining experience. It implies that you have no confidence in your efficiency. And sixth one, do not write I am presently unemployed, I am in need of a job, therefore I am submitting the application. This indicates your own necessity, but it does not indicate that you are suitable for the post applying for. Then prescribed applications forms will be available in case of, then nowadays the resume or biodata which will be written by the applicant as per the rules and regulations. Then conditions, take for example, resumes is called as the summary of the candidate. Same, it includes name and address of the applicant, date of birth, qualification, then experience, then training, then some other extra knowledge then gained by the applicant, which is very necessary in today's realized scenario. That is by now in these days, writing of application is also one of the important art which is required by every student. In this video, then I make a clear for you that the how to write the application letters, what points you kept in mind while writing the letters is very important. That is why you take the use of this video and then take the main points, and you must also kept in mind whatever the points mentioned in the video which are very necessary for your future life also. Every human being after providing a degree, then he or she interested to do a job in economic activity to earn the income. Then to earn the income, then we know the writing of the application for a particular firm or a particular company. For this reason, the application letters. What do you mean by application letters? There may be question. In case of writing the application letters, what points you kept in mind? There may be question. For question, you must write the answer like this. This is the most important in case of your future life. It also helps in your future life. Please keep in mind these points while writing the application forms. You are the job seekers, then employers. There is a proper relationship between them. Nowadays, every person wants to do a particular job which helps for earning something. It is very important in everybody's life. It only helpful when you are having the skill to write the application letter. Then skill is also one of the important ability to show in a particular place. The skill required in this case, the writing of the application form, which points will be kept in mind in case of writing the aspect. Then only it is very helpful to you when this point is in 5th unit, that is application letters. It is very necessary for students. The university involved this unit for you to know the knowledge about application letters. Thank you.